Hey everyone, if Brave browser update is failing, stuck, or not installing the latest version, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get Brave updated successfully again. First, close Brave completely and reopen it. This clears temporary glitches that can block the update process. Next, restart your computer or phone. Yeah, system-level bugs or background processes can interfere with updates. Make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, unstable or slow internet can cause update downloads to fail. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. These tools can sometimes block update servers. Another common issue is low storage. So make sure your device has enough free space for the update to install. On Windows, try running Brave as administrator. Yeah, permission issues can sometimes stop updates from installing. If updates keep failing, corrupted cache or temporary files might be the problem. I mean, clearing them can fix update errors. Sometimes antivirus or firewall settings block updates. So temporarily disable them and try again. If the automatic update still fails, go to the official Brave website and download the latest version manually. And if nothing works, uninstall Brave and reinstall it. This replaces broken files and fixes deep update issues, and that's it. One of these methods should help fix Brave browser update failed issues and get you back on the latest version. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.